Hey brother, ever noticed your car feeling weaker even after an oil change? That's not your imagination. Many drivers unknowingly use engine oil that's totally wrong for their car. According to Car and Driver, using the wrong oil grade can reduce power by up to 10%. The solution? Always match the viscosity to what's listed in your owner's manual. A quick check saves your engine. In the next part, I'll show you why cheap oils are even more dangerous than you think. Let's talk about budget oils. Sure, they're cheaper up front, but they often break down faster under heat. Consumer Reports found that low-quality oils can lose up to 30% of their protective ability in just 3,000 miles. What's the fix? Use certified oils with the API donut symbol. That little circle means it's been tested for modern engines. Next, we'll dig into what happens when your oil loses its viscosity. Once oil gets too thin or oxidized, it turns into sludge that clogs your engine. You might see low oil pressure, hear knocking sounds, or smell something burnt. The solution is regular oil changes and cleaning the PCV system. A cleaner engine breathes easier. Remember, buddy, taking care of your car is like taking care of your body. It always gives back what you put in. Coming up next, I'll tell you the hidden signs that your oil is already hurting your car. Your car's trying to tell you something. Rough idle, hard starts, or poor fuel economy are red flags. Mobil 1 Labs confirmed that wrong viscosity leads to incomplete combustion. The fix? Switch to full synthetic oil for better cold start flow and heat resistance. Here's a simple tip. Check your dipstick color. Dark and gritty? Time for a change. Next, I'll show you a trick mechanics use to check oil quality without fancy tools. Here's a pro move. Drop a little oil on a white napkin. If it spreads evenly, you're good. If it leaves a dark center, it's contaminated. This trick works even for beginners. Keep a small notebook for your oil checks. Consistency is key. Coming up, let's uncover the truth about synthetic versus mineral oil, and why one might be wasting your money. Synthetic oil sounds fancy, right? It's true, it's more stable under heat. But Auto Express UK notes that not every engine needs it. Older engines might actually perform better with semi-synthetic. The secret? Follow the manufacturer's recommendation. Don't let marketing fool you. Let's talk about how temperature affects your oil next. In tropical or hot regions, your oil thins faster. When that happens, engine wear skyrockets. You need oil rated for high temp stability. Look for the second number in the viscosity code, like 5W40. That 40 matters in heat. Stay tuned, because next we'll talk about what happens if you go too long between oil changes. Skipping an oil change feels harmless until your car starts drinking oil. Dirty oil can't cool or clean properly, and your seals begin to leak. The fix? Stick to the mileage schedule or 6 months, whichever comes first. Treat it like brushing your teeth. Simple habit, big payoff. Next, let's find out what additives really do inside your oil. Some additives actually help, like detergents and anti-wear agents. But aftermarket miracle bottles? Most are just marketing. Engineering Explained says modern oils already include the right blend of additives. So, save your money. Your car needs discipline, not gimmicks. And hey buddy, consistency beats quick fixes. That's true in cars and in life. Let's go deeper into what happens when you mix oil brands. Mixing 2 brands once won't kill your engine, but do it often, and you might mess with the additive balance. The chemistry matters. Best practice? Stick with one trusted brand. Make your car's oil system stable, not confused. In the next part, we'll talk about something people forget. Oil filters. You can use premium oil, but if your filter's clogged, it's useless. Motor Trend reports that old filters cause pressure drop and bypass dirty oil into the engine. Always replace your filter with every oil change. Pro tip: avoid no-name filters, even if they fit. Up next, let's talk about the best time to check your oil level. Morning. When your car's cold and parked flat is the best time. Warm oil expands and gives a false reading. Check every 2 weeks or before long trips. Keeping an eye on your dipstick can save a fortune in repairs. Up next, let's see how driving style affects oil life. If you often drive short trips, your oil never reaches full temperature. That means moisture builds up, speeding up wear. The fix? Take your car on a longer drive once a week. Let it stretch its legs. Remember, bro, small good habits make big differences in cars and in life. Next, we'll look at why oil light warnings can be misleading. Your dashboard oil light only warns about pressure, not quality. By the time it glows, damage might have started. Check manually and set reminders. Prevention beats cure every time. Next, I'll show you how climate affects oil choice more than you think. In cold weather, oil thickens like honey. Using the wrong type means poor lubrication at startup. The fix? Use 0W or 5W oils for smoother cold starts. That's science backed by Pennzoil Labs. Coming next, the truth about lifetime engine oils. Lifetime oil sounds nice, but it's a myth. Every oil has a limit. Even synthetic breaks down under heat and pressure. Change it regularly, and your engine stays happy. We're diving next into what oil brands mechanics actually trust. Most pro mechanics rely on brands like Mobil 1, Castrol, Shell Helix, or Valvoline. They've proven long-term stability. Don't fall for unknown premium brands. They might just be rebranded generics. Up next, let's talk about how old engines need different oil care. If your car's older than 10 years, go for thicker oil or high-mileage formulas. They have seal conditioners that prevent leaks. A bit thicker oil also compensates for worn parts. You're keeping your car's heart strong, buddy. Now, let's wrap it up with maintenance routines. Keep a maintenance log, use quality filters, and buy oil from verified stores only. Avoid topping up with random leftovers. The consistency builds reliability, both for you and your machine. Finally, let's close it up with a reminder and a call to action. So brother, next time you grab that oil bottle, remember, cheap shortcuts cost more later. Treat your engine right, and it'll last years longer. Like, share, and comment your own oil story below. And if your car has unique conditions, consult a trusted mechanic. Disclaimer: always consult a qualified automotive professional for specific recommendations.